Hey beautiful people, welcome to another mind-blowing video. You know those moments when you're just sitting down minding your own business, maybe sipping a cup of tea, and you're scrolling through your phone and you suddenly remember you need money for something very urgent and you will not want to break your savings for that. That was me. I muttered a very humble prayer, something like, God please, you know I need help, like I really need money to solve this urgent need. And just like that, boom, a call came in. No missed calls, no network wahala, just a direct line from heaven. And the person was like, hello Chef Jemmy, I need a cake for a colleague's birthday at the office. Nothing too fancy, just simple. Simple, he said. But my dear positive vibers, is anything really ever simple when it comes to cake and fondant? Especially when the time frame is tighter than a Nigerian mom's budget. So here I was with less than a few hours to bring this cake to life. You know how fondant is. It's that stubborn friend who wants to act classy but needs a lot of convincing to stay calm and smooth. I got to work like my destiny depended on it. No jokes. My rolling pin became my microphone and the kitchen my stage. I kept telling myself, this is not just flour and sugar. This is breakthrough in batter form. While kneading and smoothing the fondant, all I could think about was how God really answers prayers in the most creative ways. The timing was too precise. I mean, isn't that how life is sometimes? You think the answer will come from one big move, but it shows up in a cake order. The funniest part? I delivered that cake with confidence, even though I was low-key panicking about how fast I had to work. But see, pressure builds diamonds and also teaches you how to work smart and neat on the time crunch. What I learned from this cake is always be ready. Whether you're a chef, a student, or someone just figuring things out, preparation meets opportunity at the intersection of grace. The cake wasn't just sugar and fondant. It was a reminder that your gift can make room for you, even unexpectedly. And sometimes the blessings you prayed for doesn't come wrapped in glitter. It might come with a deadline and fondant smooth. So to everyone watching, do not joke with your gift. Stay ready, stay excellent, and pray with boldness, because help might not come in a sack of money. It might come as a cake order on a random Tuesday. So my beautiful people, here I was standing in the kitchen, flour in my hair, fondant on my apron, and a silent smile on my face. Not because the work was easy, but because this cake was an answered prayer. 1 minute I was wondering how to sort out something urgent. The next minute, God said, oh yeah, my daughter, it is time. Collect the blessing in the shape of a cake order. And let me be honest, was it stressful? Yes. Did the fondant try to misbehave? Of course. Did I want to throw the rolling pin at one point? Maybe. But somehow, the cake came together. Smooth, sweet, simple, and delivered right on time. Here's what I've learned from this fondant experience. Number one, never underestimate the power of small beginnings. A simple cake might just be the open door you have been praying for. Number two, when you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I didn't need to run to the market or start panicking because my baking tools were prepped and waiting. Your gift is only as powerful as your preparation. Number three, sometimes God's miracle wear aprons and smell like vanilla. Don't always expect your help to come in grand packaging. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Love you. God bless you. Bye.